Yo, you got the juice now, man.
What's up guys, Pizzle's Tech Time, back again with another video, and I got something pretty exciting for you today. I got the brand new Galaxy S9 Plus, and I ended up picking up two of them. They're actually doing a special right now, buy one get one free. So if you haven't decided to upgrade yet, now might be a good time. I've seen a bunch of carriers doing this. Sprint's doing it, Verizon's doing it. I have Verizon. As soon as they came out with the unlimited plan, I decided to go over to Verizon. They have pretty much the best service. A lot of them are catching up. Depends on the area where you live. I had Sprint for a few years and it just wasn't cutting it for me. And this is all perception. You might find that Sprint works for you or T-Mobile works for you, and that's all fine. I use 50 to 100 gigabytes a month because I'm on the road every day, so I use tons and tons of data. So I need that unlimited package. And I'm super happy with the plan that I have right now. I don't seem to notice any kind of throttling at all. Even in the busy cities of Boston, I don't notice much throttling. But that's not why you're here. I've got the new Galaxy S9 today. And I don't even notice this cat jumping. Hey! What are you doing? So today we've got the Galaxy S9s in tandem right here on the desk. Really came out swinging with this one, guys. We got a brand new Snapdragon processor. We've got the two cameras that everybody's been asking for. We've got stereo speakers containing Dolby Atmos, which is incredible, guys. In a smartphone, we've got Dolby Atmos. I don't know what more you can really ask for, but that's incredible. The fingerprint sensor has been slightly moved to the back of the phone. So that's pretty cool. And there's a bunch of other things, but I think what we want to do is we're going to do an unboxing of the phone so you guys can see what you're going to get if you do decide to upgrade to this phone. And I'm going to answer some questions on whether or not you should upgrade. Because I did just upgrade from the Galaxy S8, and I was comparing it with this phone. And I can pretty much tell you that there is no difference in the phone other than what's actually inside the phone, i.e. software, camera. What makes the phone work. Aesthetically, the phone's exactly the same. So if you're into tech, or if you just want the latest and greatest, then sure, you should upgrade. But the phones are pretty much identical. If you were going to be upgrading, I would definitely suggest getting the S9 Plus because it has more RAM, it has 6 gigabytes of RAM. The S9 regular only has 4 gigabytes of RAM, so that's basically the same that the S8 had, so you're not getting an upgrade there. The regular S9 only has one camera on the back. The S9 actually has a dual camera system with a dual aputure system, so you're actually getting a way better deal when you get the S9 Plus, and it's really not that much more expensive. So if you were going to upgrade, please do yourself a favor and get the S9 Plus. As I have done with myself and my fiance. My fiance actually had the S7, so she was used to the little phones, but we actually went ahead and got her the S9 Plus. And as I suggested with her, I will suggest with anybody, just trying to help you guys out. You get more phone for your money, and the S9 Plus is where all the technology is going right now. So that's what you would want to get if you're looking to upgrade. What I did was I had this phone activated and I had the agent put it back in the box because I told her I was going to be doing an unboxing and she very specifically didn't touch anything in this box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it up for you guys and I'm going to show you what comes in this box. So when you buy this phone, you will be prepared. Because who doesn't want to be prepared when they buy something, right guys? Right. So on the back of the phone here, you'll see that it contains some stuff. Galaxy S9, pre-installed SIM card, wall USB charger, stereo headset, which is the AKB tuned headset, which I hear is pretty good. I don't use them. I still have the other one. I think I gave it away to somebody who needed a headset. USB connector, quick reference guide, terms and conditions. So that's what's listed as the contents, guys. Pretty heavy box here. So what we're going to do is we're going to open this bad Larry up. And you got a nice smooth packaging right here with a little triangle and your Samsung logo. There's a little QR thing if you want to go ahead and scan that. I don't know who goes around scanning these things, but okay. They're everywhere. Okay, so got Galaxy S9 right there. This will pop out, and inside this thing you have your SIM card ejector and some manuals. Meet your new phone and front camera, SD card slot. I can show you this on the phone itself, but as you can see, it has a dual camera in the back, which is really nice. That dual camera is what makes all the difference, because when you're taking a picture, you will get that background blur. Very nice, guys. That's what you want. Okay, so as you can see, the phone is powered on. Take that out. And this is the star of the show, guys. This is the blue version right here. And I'll show you the back of it right there. Still got the screen protector on the front right there. Waiting to hear back on a few companies that are going to send me some screen protectors, but I don't have them yet. This was kind of a last minute buy. The blue is a little light, but I do like the color. It's a nice light blue. My fiance Brittany got the purple one. That one looks pretty cool too. And this new unlock system that they have is super fast, guys. Really, all you have to do is look at the phone like this, and it literally takes a second. It's just like the Apple unlock system that they have, the facial recognition one, and it works really good. So I'm pretty happy with that. And if you look on the back of the phone there, you'll see the dual camera system. You'll see the dual camera system. Sorry about the glare. And then you'll see the fingerprint sensor has been moved right there. And you still have the sensors and everything right there. That you can click this to take a picture when you're taking selfies. And that has always worked pretty well for me. And they also have a new gesture way to take a picture, but I haven't tried that out yet. We still have the Bixby button, whether you love it or you hate it. It's there, guys. So get used to it. I don't really have much to say about it. I don't have much experience with it. I haven't used it much, so I'm gonna stay away from that. So now we'll go to the rest of the box here. It has a little cardboard cutout here, and at the bottom of the box here we've got looks like your USB-C cable, just standard USB-C cable that Samsung usually gives you. And then they also give you these pretty cool headphones. Okay, it says AKG right there. So that means they were tuned by AKG. Pretty nifty little stuff right there. And I think overall they're not bad looking headphones. They're not super great looking either. I like to use Bluetooth headphones in 2018, but if you don't use Bluetooth headphones, that's totally up to you guys. Or if you don't have Bluetooth headphones. Now, Samsung is still including these things. If this is your first USB-C phone, if you're a USB-C virgin, they give you this little connector right here that actually connects to any USB cable and turns it into a USB-C cable. That's pretty cool. Now I've got another one of those. Okay, and I think the only thing that I have left is a Samsung fast charger. Now you can never have enough of these. I have a lot of these, but you can never have enough of these because these charge your phone incredibly fast. Once you see that Samsung fast charging logo, you are golden. That's all that's in the box other than this run-of-the-mill USB-C cable that they give you. And if you go to the store, they usually charge you about $20 for these cables. So when you buy a new phone, it's nice to just get the cable, the charger, and the headset. It's nice to just get this stuff. But Samsung kind of gives you the most basic cable in the world. This connection here doesn't last very long if you don't take very good care of it. I've taken these cables on the road before and they last about 6 months or so, and then they start getting a little messed up. Now USB-C is a lot better than micro USB. Those cables just didn't last long at all. USB-C is more of a strong connection, so they last a little longer. Some
But things of note that I wanted to share with you with this phone is actually they still have the headphone jack. So if that's something that you're looking for in a phone, Samsung does not take that away from you. Also, we have dual speakers in this one. We get a speaker down here, and this actually turns into a speaker also, and that's how you're able to get Dolby Atmos with this phone. Now, underneath your SIM card ejector, you also have room for an SD card. Samsung also allows for expandable storage. So if you're looking at this review and you're coming from Apple, this phone is a 64 gigabyte, I believe. It's a 64, but I have a 240 gigabyte SD card in here, so I literally will never run out of space, which is amazing. Samsung really gives you a lot of options with this phone here, and it is a really nice looking phone. And then of course you still have your Edge right here, your apps at a glance, which is always good. Now for protecting the phone right now, I just have the OtterBox, and the case actually will just go over it right here. Now this thing is like a tank, guys. It's like once you put this thing on, you can hardly get it off, which is good and bad. I mean, I like to be able to take my case off easily, but this thing is really hard to get on and off, which I really don't appreciate, but it is what it is, I guess. As you can see, Bigsby comes on about every 2 minutes, but it is what it is, guys. I mean, you can live with it or don't. I mean, I don't know what to tell you. It just happens. Every time you swipe to the left, Bigsby comes on. Every time you press this button, Bigsby comes on. It's a little annoying if I'm going to be honest. Maybe once I set it up and use it, I won't be so annoyed. But I've had my Galaxy S9 for almost a year and I've never used Bigsby, so I kind of am over it. But it's just kind of annoying. But Samsung kind of has given you everything else, and they've actually done some improvements with Bigsby. Like, you'll be able to take pictures of stuff and Bigsby will tell you exactly what it is. So once I set that up, I'll be able to test it out and I'll give you guys my opinion for that. Alright guys, so that is the unboxing of the Galaxy S9 Plus. If there's any questions that you have about this phone or any screen protectors or cases you'd like me to try, you can drop it in the comments below. Or you can follow me on Twitter at PizzlesTechTime. Also, same tag on Instagram and Snapchat. Just shout me a holler. I'll get back to you, of course. I'm always here for you guys. That's my motto. Always here for you. I'm always willing to answer any comments you guys have for me. I love making these videos. So if you wouldn't mind smashing that like button and hitting that subscribe button. I'm going to be making videos weekly now. And I plan on doing a lot more videos. So I'm really excited for YouTube this year. 2018 is going to be a really fun year. And I'm about to make a video for this S3 Frontier. So I'm just going to do a quick unboxing and setup. And we're going to see how difficult it is to set up. So if you want to watch that video, I'm going to leave a link for it right above. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you later.